Should we say Umakwela came into the life of Musa and Musa's family to dim the lights Zaga Makumalo? Should we say so? Remember, Makumalo used to be very active, man. Makumalo was all over. Makumalo was on social media. Makumalo was vibrant. But ever since this thing, Yaga Makwela came, yazi Makumalo a flopper. Makumalo even on social media is not active like before. Makumalo, Kore, she became so quiet. She became so distant. Hey, yazi Samke. Hi guys, Samke changed the game, man. Samke changed the game of that family, to be honest. And if we really have to face the truth, we were so invested in the four wives. It looked like a real thing, like as in it looked like it's something that is building, it's something that is going somewhere. Even though there were hiccups here and there, but we loved them, the four of them. It was beautiful. There were times that they didn't want to see eye to eye, and then there will be times that they are together, they go on trips together, they sit together, they break bread together, It was nice. The four of them, I mean, really, to be honest, they made a very beautiful, thing together. This one came into picture to come and mess up things. No. Let's face the truth. Usamke came into the picture and everything was just scattered. Makumalo lost the spark. Makumalo was no longer the Makumalo that we know. And majority of the time, Makumalo was gunning for unity of the wives. Makumalo wanted to unite the wives at all costs, So, hey, yazi usamke, guys, Samke. I'm not blaming you alone. I'm blaming you together with Musa. Guys. And one other thing, actually, I'm talking about Makumalo Lana. Makumalo, there was a time that when they are in the meeting with the other wives, they will be telling Makumalo, wena Makumalo, cabanga ukuthi you are the only wife Lana. Makumalo, cabanga ukuthi wena you are the only wife Lana. Lirona, we are wives zakamusa. They used to have that thing that Makumalo cabanga ukuthi ungono. They used to have that thing that Makumalo cabanga ukuthi she's the only wife, or she's the one who is better. They used to tell her straight in her face that we're not cabanga you are better than us, this and this and this and that. Ne? That was before the introduction of number 5. So guys, I'm just asking myself, now that number 5 is in the picture, what are they saying? More especially Mayeni. I'm just saying, guys, what is Mayeni saying about Umakumalo? Because Mayeni was the one who was very vocal about Umakumalo, saying, when I'm Makumalo, you are the only wife. When I'm Makumalo, even Makele once mentioned something like that. So I'm just wondering, maybe where they are saying, bayacabanga ukuthi uyathandwa. Bayacabanga ukuthi Musa has put her in the front seat. Now the other girl toppled her. You guys, I don't know, is there something called toppled? Yeah, that thing. You know what I want to say. So I think like when they are together or when they are sitting somewhere, they will be saying, yeah, ulayikile, bayacabanga ukuthi ungcono, bayasihleba nomusa. So the younger blood came. The new broom is in the house to come and clean nicely. It's like that, guys. People talk those things. I'm just saying that it's very possible that they are saying things like that, especially Umayeni. So, you know what, guys? I'm just praying to the Almighty that He must give Uma Khumalo umntana. Twins at the go. One time. Twins at the go. Amufebana. Amu just to wipe her tears, guys. That's not nice. Imagine somebody comes into the life of your husband, dim your lights, and give your husband what you can't give your husband. How do you feel? How do you feel? Guys, let's pray for Makhumalo. Let's pray. Let's pray wherever you are. When you pray, don't forget to pray for Makhumalo so that God must give her twins, a boy and a girl. That's it. Bye, guys. Let's meet on the other video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.